yes, a wig review. I want to say thank you to the folks over at SAMSBEAUTY for sponsoring this video. And yes, you guys know I love a good synthetic wig here and there. Gotta have it, gotta love it. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is by the brand called the STYLIST. I think it's kind of new for me. I don't know, maybe you have heard of it before. I haven't. But this is their Swiss lace invisible deep part wig. And it's called Poker Straight Bob. So, you know, straight blunt cut, no bend, just straight hair. You know, real fierce, real, you know, edgy. So, let's just get into it. It has a 4-inch deep invisible part. Now, you know, sometimes when you get synthetic wigs, you do have to pluck the part just a tad bit just to kind of see. You can curl it if you want to. You can make like some beach waves because this is a blunt cut. So, you can't kind of bump the ends or anything like that. So, I would do like a beach wave if you were to curl it. And on the back, it just lets you know that it's a versatile wig, natural looking, is manageable, flawless, hidden knots, and it's lightweight. And it's nothing like wearing a wig where you feel like, oh God, this wig is heavy. We got enough to worry about, right, ladies? So let's open it up. We have a stock card as usual. Give you a little bit of care instructions. Let's just pull it out. It's wrapped nicely to keep that blunt shape I'm sure of. Can you see it? It has some texture in the hair. So it's like, you know, that Yaki Remy type look. It doesn't look too like bone straight. Looks good so far. I'm going to feel for the lace. I want to feel. Because, you know, sometimes when you get a synthetic wig, it can be kind of, you know, the lace can be real harsh. Okay, but it says it's Swiss lace, so you gotta give it the benefit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the goodies on the inside. Okay. So we have the stock card attached as normal. And I have it in a 1B. A 1B, as you can see. See the texture? Looks good, looks good. Nice and sharp, nice and blunt. Inside, normal wig cap construction. It has a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and 2 combs on the side. And pretty much, this is all the lace that you're getting. That's it. The part looks pretty good. I will say that. Let me show you. Look, the part looks great. The part looks, this is probably the best part I've ever seen on a wig, period. It's like, it's not bulky in the front. It's like seamless. You see that? And you can see that the actual lace is a really good match for my skin tone. Because look how it's blending right in. That's good. Okay. So let's cut. Before I cut this lace, I just want to point out how smooth this is. Normally when you have a wig, it's kind of bumpy on the edge, like the hairline of the actual wig. This is so smooth that it almost feels like you could put it in a ponytail. Like, just look how smooth that is. This is what I mean, it is a lace frontal wig. But this is really good. This is really good. I'm going to leave all the information down below so you can check this wig out. So let's cut the lace off. Ladies, this is cute. I had to get my shirt how it's supposed to be. This looks good. Okay, this is that wig you put on, no fuss. It just goes on. You have your little brush, comb it down. It's like it hits right in the back. It's nothing too busy. It's right there. Let me get my little flyaways. You see how, oh my God. It's as if they used a razor to cut it. Now let's just get into this part. Guys, I left a little bit of lace right there because I want to put it actually to my hairline just to kind of see. It looks good. It looks good. And let me back up a little bit just so you can see the full look of the wig. Looks good. Looks good. So ladies, Check this unit out. Looks good, looks good, looks good. I'm just impressed. And I'm so happy I got it in a 1B because this looks good. It looks good. I'm going to tweak the front, of course. I'm going to probably, I'm not going to pluck anything, but I think I can add a little bit of foundation just to kind of, so I could push it back some. And I'm going to, my braids that I have are kind of different, so I'm going to fix my braids. And it will look really, really nice. Yes, I like this. What you guys think? Let me know. I think this is really, really cute. I like it. Woo. Let me know. Let me know how you guys like it on me, you know. Should I start wearing short wigs? I don't know. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you can catch all my cool videos. Bye.